Hey, hi, I'm back, Kaushik Chatterjee. I hope all you know my name and my previous videos I think you have already gone through. So in this video we are going to discuss a very interesting thing, and that is called rule of 72. 72. So how it is going to help to understand, whatever investment part even so far we have discussed, any kind of investment, like I think 4 5 tools already I have discussed, right? Now this rule of 72 will help you to understand like what exactly the corpus I am going to give, and with how many years I am going to get even how much money. I'll repeat it once again. So rule 72 will help you to understand how much coppers already you're going to keep and how much I'm going to get in what year. So that will help you to understand by this rule of 72. Right? Very interesting. Yeah. So I'll tell you a small example. So let's say today, whatever my investment, all the tools, I think you can go to my previous all my videos where I have already explained all the different even tools, even what is the percentage, what is the advantage, what is the disadvantage, and what is the pros cons. I mean, more than disadvantage and advantage, I mean to say, what is the pros, what is the cons, everything we have discussed. Now in this video, even it can be any of your tool you are going to invest, or already let's say you have already invested. But this 72, if you know, even if you know how to calculate, and it's a very simple way, I'll tell you, very simple. Even any person if thinking, no, Kaushik is going to discuss something about mathematics, no, absolutely not, absolutely not. But the tool, whatever you are going to invest, whatever money you are going to invest, how much money you are going to get in how many years, that will help you to understand by this rule of 70, right? So now let's take an example. Let's say I have invested, let's say any of the tool, any of the tool. It can be, let's say even a fixed deposit. It could be even, let's say, any kind of real estate. It let's say any kind of mutual fund. It could be even any kind of shares. It could be any kind of PPF. Any kind of like investment tool already what we have discussed. Now, how this rule of 72 is going to help me out to understand in which year I am going to get my money. So now, as an investor, if I ask you, most of the people, even any of the people, they have a mindset like, whatever I ever invest in, I should get a double amount. Am I right? So let's say any kind of investment, like tools already I have just repeated once again. So might be your investment pattern also will be any of this, any among one, right? Already you have invested. But now I just, let's say today I'm just going to give you a small example, and let's say I'm going to invest, let's say bulk, let's say at 10 lakhs amount, or let's say 5 lakhs amount, or let's say 15, 20, whatever, as per your choice, right? Now what is the rate of interest I'm going to get? So that is known to you. Even though if I talk about any kind of investment tool, either you have a prediction, or let's say you have a fixed amount. Are you getting my point? So either my investment pattern will be fixed, or it will be, let's say, fluctuating, but let's say there is an average investment uh, rate of interest I can calculate. So now let's say I'm just taking for an example, I'm taking, let's say, whatever my entire even portfolio, whatever my entire even investment, the tools, whatever I have already discussed. Let's say I'm getting 8% rate of interest. 8. EIGHT. 8 I'm talking. 8. Digit 8. Now how I'm going to understand by this rule of 72, like which year I'll get my money double. So what I have invested, let's say I have invested 10 lakhs rupees in Indian currency. I'm just talking 10 lakhs Indian currency, national currency. So in which year I am going to get, let's say 10 lakh of double is 20 lakhs. Can you tell me? Nobody can calculate. But this tool will help me out to understand on which year on rate of 8% if I am getting my interest, or is my investment portfolio is going to give me 8% rate of interest every year. By ninth year, what I said, by ninth year, my 10 lakhs will be my 20 lakhs. Now you can ask me, how Kaushik, how you are telling this? Okay, very simple. That's what I told you. It is just a one line calculation. So what I told you, the rule is 72. So first you write on the 72, you just write. If you have a pen and paper, you just write a 72, right, on the denominator. Now on the numerator, you have to calculate what is the rate of interest you are getting. So what I took an example, it is 8%. So 72 divided by 8. So how much it is coming? The result is 9. That means the rule of 72 is going to help me. If 8 rate of interest, I am going to get my investment back. By 9th year, my money 10 lakhs will be at 20 lakhs. You can check it out. Now you might say, Kaushik, I'm not getting even 8%. I'm getting, let's say, 6%. Very simple. 72 divided by 6. That means by 12th year, your money will be double. I'm not getting even, let's say, 8%, 6%. I'm going to get, let's say, 10%. 72 divided by 10. 7.2 year money is going to be double. You can calculate this tool. Now you know whatever your portfolio, whatever your investment pattern, you know, just take out what is the average rate of interest you are getting and just take a 1 minute time. Write 72, divide by your rate of interest what you are getting, and then you see that will be the result, will be your predictable year to get your money double, right? So how it is going to help out me? Why I need to understand this? As I have told earlier, like, you know, my corpus, whatever corpus I am keeping, let's say whatever my investment pattern, whatever I have done already, or let's say I'm going to do, I need to also similarly understand that what will be my future result also. By which year, even let's say if I'm keeping some corpus, let's say for my child education, or let's say for child marriage, or let's say for my retirement corpus, or let's say any XYZ, or let's say I just want to build my own house, whatever. By which year I will get what returns, and by which year how much I'll get, that is the calculation you will come to know from this rule of 72. So you don't need to wait for anyone, you don't need to go and check it out with any investment tool, anybody, you don't need to listen. Now onwards, you yourself can calculate 72 divided by your average rate of interest equal the result is coming will be your years. On that particular year, your money will be double, right? So I think this is definitely going to help you out, and to again understand your investment portfolio, to understand your money, whatever you are investing, that how you are going to get a returns, in which year you are going to make your money, and that will give a clear, a clear idea, clarity also, like what I need to do, how I need to do, which investment, and what is the returns I can expect by which year, right? So thanks for watching me. As I already have told, there is no promoting, there is no I'm not here to promote even any kind of tools, any kind of product, any kind of solution also. It is all about my experience, what I have seen, that only I am just sharing. If it's going to help you out, definitely you just write me. I have already given all my details. If you want more details, you can also write me in the details in my chat box, so that I can take it forward and I can give you more and more even ideas, to help you out to make your own portfolio, right? Thanks a lot. Have a great time, and thanks for watching.